Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. If it opens in the small view, click More Details. Now open Processes. Click the Memory column so the biggest memory users appear at the top. This tells you exactly what's filling your RAM. If you see software you aren't using anymore, right-click it and choose End Task. Don't end Windows processes you don't recognize. Only close programs you know you've opened, or software that's clearly unnecessary. Step 2. Now, let's stop Windows from loading those apps every single time your PC boots. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Startup. Everything here launches automatically when Windows starts. If you don't need an app every time you turn on your computer, switch it off. This is one of the biggest reasons PCs slowly become heavier over time. Step 3. Stay inside Settings. Open Apps, then Installed Apps. Find an app you rarely use. Click the three dots. Choose Advanced Options if it's available. Scroll down to Background App Permissions. Set it to Never. Not every application supports this anymore, but Microsoft Store apps usually do. If an app doesn't need to send notifications or constantly check for updates, there's no reason to let it stay active. Step 4. Open Settings. Go to Personalization, then Taskbar. Turn Widgets off. Widgets constantly refresh news, weather, sports scores, and other online information. Even if you never click them, Windows still keeps part of that feature ready in memory. If you don't use widgets, you're simply freeing resources. Step 5. Open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then Diagnostics and Feedback. Turn off optional diagnostic data. Then disable tailored experiences. These settings won't magically double your FPS, but they reduce unnecessary background activity and give Windows fewer things to do behind the scenes. Step 6. Open Windows Update. Choose Advanced Options. Open Delivery Optimization. Turn Allow downloads from other PCs off. This feature lets Windows share update files with other computers. Turning it off reduces unnecessary background activity and prevents Windows from using your connection to distribute updates. Step 7. Go back to Task Manager. Open the Startup Apps tab. You'll probably notice some applications marked High Impact. Those are slowing your startup and immediately reserving RAM every time Windows loads. Disable anything you don't need starting automatically. Leave security software enabled. Everything else depends on whether you actually use it every day. This is the last step almost everyone forgets. Restart your computer. Don't just close Task Manager and expect the RAM usage to instantly change. Some services only unload after a full reboot. Once Windows finishes loading, open Task Manager again. Check your idle RAM usage. You'll usually see fewer background processes and noticeably lower memory usage. RAM fixed? Subscribe for more Windows tweaks.